Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Unfiltered Banter. IPL auction day 2 conclude हो चुका है and all the teams are here. So today we're going to discuss about the probable playing 11 of all the team and the strongest playing 11. Talking about the first team, Chennai Super Kings, their openers are already set with Ruturaj Gaikwad and Devin Conway. Number 1 pe we can see Rahul Tripathi coming in, and then there's Shivam Dubey, Deepak Hooda, Sam Curran is also there. Then there is Ravindra Jadeja, MS Dhoni, Ravichandran Ashwin, Matisha Pathirana and Noor Ahmed. So according to me, this can be the strongest playing 11 for Chennai Super Kings. And जैसे कि हमें पता है कि चेन्नई का छोटा ग्राउंड है एंड स्पिन फ्रेंडली विकेट है, सो नूर अहमद, रविंद्र जडेजा एंड अश्विन को ये विकेट बहुत सूट करने वाली है. सो द टीम विच दे हैव मेड इज वन ऑफ द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट टीम इन आईपीएल. जैसे कि सीएसके पहले से अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रहा है, दिस टाइम ऑल्सो दे हैव डन वेरी वेल. एंड लेट्स सी हाउ सीएसके गोज इन द आईपीएल 2025. टॉकिंग अबाउट द नेक्स्ट टीम इज दिल्ली कैपिटल्स. यहाँ पे दिल्ली कैपिटल्स ने भी काफी अच्छा परफॉर्म करा है इन दिस. So talking about the openers of Delhi Capitals, there can be Jake Fraser-McGurk opening with KL Rahul this time. Number 1 pe we can see Abhishek Patel coming in. Then we can see Harry Brook coming in. After that, Tristan Stubbs, who has been doing very well for his country and playing the local leagues as well. Then there's Akshar Patel. Next I feel Ashutosh Sharma और समीर रिजवी के बीच में कोई भी आ सकता है to finish the batting. Then there's Mitchell Stark, Kuldeep Yadav, Mukesh Kumar and T Natarajan. सो हम यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं कि मोस्टली सारे लेफ्टी बॉलर्स हैं हमारे. आई थिंक दिल्ली विल बेनिफिट फ्रॉम दिस एंड मोहित शर्मा कैन ऑल्सो कम इन एज एन इम्पैक्ट प्लेयर. सो येस, दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट दिल्ली कैपिटल. कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट टीम इज गुजरात टाइटंस. गुजरात टाइटंस हैज ऑल्सो डन वेल, बट आई फील यहाँ पे मिडिल ऑर्डर बैटर्स में कोई प्रोमिनेंट नेम नहीं है. सो ऑल ऑफ देम हैव टू वर्क वेरी हार्ड टू स्कोर रन्स दिस टाइम. So openers are already set in Josh Butler and Shubman Gill. जैसे कि मैंने पहले कहा था, they're gonna be very lethal for the bowlers this time. And number 1 पे we see Sai Sudarshan. After that जो middle order batters हैं वहाँ पे कोई prominent name नहीं है, so they have to score big runs this time. So number 4 पे we can see Mahipal Lomror coming in. Then there's Shah Rukh Khan and Sharfin Rutherford can also be play in the playing 11. Then there's Rahul Tewatia. So these were about the middle order batsmen. And Washington Sundar is also there, which is a very good option for them क्योंकि वो spin भी करवाते हैं and he's a good overall all-rounder. Then there is Rashid Khan. उनके bowlers already set हैं in Rabada, Mohammad Siraj and Prasidh Krishna. So हम यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं they have the 3 speedsters. So bowling में उन्होंने काफी अच्छा करा है. So they have compensated the middle order batsmen for bowlers this time. So let's see how Gujarat does in the IPL 2025. The next team which we are talking about is Kolkata Knight Riders. So Kolkata की strongest playing 11 की बात करें according to me is the openers, which is Quinton de Kock and Sunil Narine. Then one down पे Venkatesh Iyer can come in with Ankush Raghuvanshi following. Then Rinku Singh, Andre Russell. उसके बाद Ramandeep Singh can come to end the batting. Talking about the bowlers, Harshit Rana, Norkia, Vaibhav Arora and Varun Chakravarti can be the good matchup for them. And Sunil Narine obviously है साथ में, so the bowling department is also set. And Quinton de Kock को ये pitch बहुत suit करेगी because कोलकाता की pitch थोड़ी छोटे grounds हैं. So I think Quinton de Kock is going to do very well, and getting Quinton de Kock in such an amount is a steal deal. So I think Kolkata is also going to do well this time. Talking about the next team is Lucknow Super Giants. So Lucknow की probable 11 की बात करते हैं. I think they're going to start the opening with Aiden Markram and Mitchell Marsh. Then Rishabh Pant will be one down. After that, Nicholas Pooran can come in with Ayush Badoni, David Miller and Abdul Samad also. Abdul Samad bowling भी करवा सकते हैं, 4 overs दे सकते हैं. So I think Abdul Samad is a good option in the playing 11. Then followed by Ravi Bishnoi, Avesh Khan, Akashdeep and Mohsin Khan. So bowlers भी यहाँ पे काफी speedsters हैं. So I think they're going to do well. The next team which we are talking about is Mumbai Indians. So उनकी strongest 11 की बात करते हैं. So their openers are Rohit Sharma and Will Jacks, followed by Tilak Verma, Surya Kumar Yadav, Naman Dheer and Hardik Pandya. Talking about the wicket keeper, I think Robin Mins can be the wicket keeper for. He is a young player, but I think he's going to do well. Last time वो injure हो गए थे, so he wasn't able to play for Gujarat. But this time he will be playing IPL for the first time. So let's see how he does. Talking about the bowlers, Mitchell Santner can be a part of the playing 11, followed by Trent Bolt and Jasprit Bumrah. So Jasprit Bumrah and Trent Bolt are gonna be fire in MI camp this time. So let's see how MI also does. The next team is Punjab Kings. So इनके openers होंगे Prabhsimran Singh and Josh Inglis, followed by Shreyas Iyer, Marcus Stoinis, Glenn Maxwell, Nehal Vadera. Then Shashank Singh can come to end the batting, followed by Marco Jansen, Arjdeep Singh, Vishak Vijaykumar, and obviously Yuzvendra Chahal will be there. So this is the strongest 11 I think for Punjab. The next team is Rajasthan Royals. So Rajasthan Royals has done very well this time and उन्होंने काफी अच्छा core अपना बनाया है. So talking about the playing 11, Yashasvi Jaiswal is gonna start with the captain Sanju Samson, followed by Nitish Rana. Then Riyan Parag will come in with Dhruv Jurel, Shimron Hitmyer. And talking about the bowling options, Varendu Hasaranga can be a good matchup in the playing 11 with Jofra Archer, Tushar Deshpande, and two more players, Mahesh Tikshana and Akash Madhwal. So I think Rajasthan ने भी काफी अच्छा करा है this time, and let's see how their team goes in IPL 2025. The next team is Royal Challengers Bangalore, and Royal Challengers Bangalore की strongest 11 की बात करते हैं. So I think विराट कोहली के साथ open करेंगे Phil Salt, which is gonna be again a good opening pair, followed by Rajat Patidar coming one down. Then Liam Livingston can come with Jitesh Sharma, Tim David, Krunal Pandya, and bowlers की बात करें तो भुवनेश्वर कुमार, सुयश शर्मा, यश दयाल and Josh Hazelwood can come in the playing 11. So I think RCB has done a good job. थोड़ी criticism मिल रहे थे, but end में they have covered it up. So well done RCB. Talking about the last team, Sunrisers Hyderabad. Sunrisers Hyderabad has also done a good job. Talking about their playing 11, so I think Travis Head and Abhishek Sharma are gonna open, no doubt. Then one down pe I think Ishan Kishan is gonna come, followed by Nitish Kumar Reddy, Henrik Klassen, Abhinav Manohar can make to the playing 11 as well. Then I believe Kamindu Mendes can also come in with Pat Cummins, Harshal Patel, Rahul Chahar, and obviously Mohammad Shami will be there in the 11. So I believe this is the strongest 11 for Hyderabad. Talking about the next is unsold players. So हमने एक unsold players की भी playing 11 बनाई हुई है. So unsold 11 में openers are David Warner and Prithvi Shaw. It's very shocking to see that ये दोनों players unsold गए हैं. There are a lot of many players also. So हमने playing 11 में one down खिलाया है मयंक अग्रवाल को. Again a shocker that he has not been picked up by any team. Then we see Johnny Bairstow, Sarfaraz Khan, Sikandar Raza, Shardul Thakur also not playing. So हमारे अनसोल्ड प्लेइंग 11 में ये प्लेयर्स भी हैं, फॉलोड बाय ऋषि धवन, पीयूष चावला, उमेश यादव एंड नवीन उल हक एज वेल. एंड हमारे अनसोल्ड 11 में हमारे इम्पैक्ट प्लेयर जो है इज नवदीप सैनी ऑल्सो. Yes, this was all about the unsold 11. It's quite shocking to see some players getting unsold. Yes, this was all about this video. यहाँ पर हमने एनालाइज करा कि कौन सी टीम कौन से प्लेयर्स के साथ जा सकती है in their playing 11. So this was all about this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe.